we have defined the limit of a function in the previous video. We have defined the left-hand limit, the right-hand limit, and if these two coincide, then the common limit as the limit of a function. All these we have defined. But we need some more details. For this, consider a function fx, and suppose this limit x tends to a minus fx equal to L. The left hand limit as x tends to a is L, and limit x tends to a plus fx again equal to L, right hand limit again L coinciding, and then in this situation the common limit x tends to a fx which is equal to L. So this is the limit of the function, which is the common value of this. If these two coincide, then the limit of the function is this. And symbolically we denote this all this in this form. Now for convenience, this symbol is again shortened. So here we have written limit LIMIT. So it is shortened as LIM x tends to a fx in that form. Or again shortened this LT x tends to a fx for convenience. Similarly for this also, we can use this shortened form for writing the limits, left hand limit, right hand limit, and the common limit, etc. So anyway, so we have this limit x tends to a fx is equal to L. That is, the two limits, left hand limit and the right hand limits coincide, and the common value is this limit. But there are situations when this left hand limit and the right hand limit do not coincide. We can have such an example. So suppose this fx is defined as, say, x plus 5 for x less than or equal to 5 and x plus 10 for x greater than 5. Split the whole domain into two. Whole domain is the set of reals. From 5 to negative infinity, the functional value is x plus 5, and for values greater than 5, the functional value is x plus 10. Thus, for all real values, we have this functional value, unique functional value, so it's a function. Diagrammatically, we may denote this by, so this is the set of all real numbers. So the number line, so 0, this is 5, minus infinity, plus infinity. Then these values, 5 to this, minus infinity, it is mapped to this, say, x plus 5, and these values to this x plus 10, x plus 10. So these to this, and these to this. So this is the function. And now, suppose we consider the limit of the function fx as x tends to 5. X tends to 5. And then as x tends to this 5, first we find the left hand limit. X tends to 5 from the left. Some left means from this side to this side to this. And then in that case the functional value is x plus 5. So the ultimate value, that is when x takes almost 5, equal to 5. So the functional value is 5 plus 5, which is 10. And consider this limit x tends to 5 plus fx. 5 plus fx. In this case, x approaches 5 from this right, that means this side to this. And in this case, the functional value is this x plus 10. These are mapped to this x plus 10. So we see that this is 5 plus 10, which is equal to 15. 5 plus 10, which is equal to 16. And therefore, this left hand limit exists, but it is 10. Right hand limit exists, it is 15. These two do not coincide. So in this stage, this function has no limit at x equal to 5. The limit hand at left hand limit at this 5 is 10, x is 10. Right hand limit at 5, x is and it is 15, but do not coincide. So the function has no limit at x equal to 5. Okay. Similarly, we can find limits at another point. Suppose we find the left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus fx. Then from left to 0 functional value. From left to 0, from this portion to 0. Here this functional value is x plus 5, which is equal to the 0 plus 5, which is 5. 0 plus 5. And limit x tends to 0 plus fx. From right to 0, from this to 0, the ultimate value. In that case, here also the functional value is this same. The separation is at this particular point. So here the value, functional value is x plus 5 itself. So here also we have 5. In this case, this left hand and right hand limit coincide. Therefore the common value is limit x tends to 0 fx, which is equal to 5. So at this x equal to 5, this function has limit. But at x equal to 0, this function has limit, but at x equal to 5, this function has no limit. So the same function, but at different points, situation different in the case of limits. Okay, we can have more examples in the next video.